Boy, have I had a day. I've had a day, like one of them stressful days. But I'm here, whatever. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing, it's really not professional we alright. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a review and a video all about this hair. This is gonna be how I colored it, how I styled it, how I put it on my head, and how I made my edges look like the hair was literally coming out of my head, which I'm really surprised. I'm really surprised. So if you like to see how I got this hair, then please keep watching. Get out of your mind. Ooh, get out of your mind. This is from MsBeautyHair. This is a 10A Brazilian full lace 613 blonde straight 20-inch hair. The link for this hair will be down below. So when I first got this hair, it was completely blonde and I changed it to this color. This is the softest hair I have ever felt in my life. It's literally so soft and it's like so bouncy. Do you know like that commercial? What's that commercial called? What's the one commercial, guys? Pantene. When Pantene has those really nice commercials with the hair silky, you guys, their wigs are so affordable. They're literally such good quality. This is 20 inches in a blonde wig and it barely sheds, because that's one thing at my job, because you know I'm the only person with this color hair. So if I shed, like, people are gonna know that it's me. I can't blame it on nobody else. When I colored, I used the water method to color this hair, which I'm showing you guys right now. I added some platinum hair dye to it. It kind of turned the water blue, and I was scared for my hair to turn blue. But I'll tell you how I fixed it in a second. After I put the hot water, I kind of like had to mix it so it'll get to a good consistency. Not consistency, I don't know what I'm talking about. But I mixed it so it could get to a good color where I felt like it was gonna take on the hair. And once I did that, I dipped the hair into it. And you kind of have to keep going back because the hair does absorb the color. The hair did take the color very well. Some of the spots that were still blonde, I had to go back. I got like a darker violet color. It's kind of like black violet, and I kind of touched up the roots, and then it ended up dyeing the lace. So I went back and I didn't have any brown color to dye the lace to match my skin. So I dipped the lace in, I know, coffee, and it actually did work. I used a brown cap. It looks like the hair is growing out of my scalp. I was really super nervous about this color, but I'm really glad that it came out this color. It did like low-key push me to try something different, and it actually turned out really nice. I did do the process of conditioning and washing it, and it's the type of weaves like your hands don't get like caught in it, so people can be like, oh my gosh, I like your hair. You know, like them phony girls who be like, oh my gosh, I like your hair, and then try to run their fingers through it and it gets a little. This is not like it at all. Super smooth and silky, and it doesn't feel greasy. It just feels really light. Like, I mean, I really do like the color and I like the length. 20 inches is really long because I'm really short, but this is how much 20 inches is on me. So it's past my boob. It's kind of like right at my waistline. Yeah, it is kind of like at my waistline. So it's really long hair. It's super affordable. And you guys, just so you know, they do have Black Friday deals. Black Friday is coming up and we're all trying to look our best for the holiday season. And you know, like Thanksgiving, if you looked a little rink-a-dink, don't worry, because you still can redeem yourself during Christmas and Christmas Eve. I got you, boo. Fist bump. Thank you. Their Black Friday promotions is, if you buy bundles, you get a free closure. And I know that could be annoying sometimes when you buy bundles and then you have to buy a closure, or you want to buy a closure, then it's like additional $60, $80, $150. So if you buy bundles, you get a free closure, which kind of completes the set. You also buy one lace frontal wig. Listen, buy one lace frontal wig, you get the other one for free. Where they do that at? They're incredible. So you can get a wig for your mama and get a wig for your auntie. You get a wig for your friend, that friend that don't really know how to wear wigs, or that friend that doesn't really wear good wigs. You can buy one for yourself, get some free, and give it to your friend. Like, here's a solution. They're coming through. You get $10 off a purchase of $99. You get $15 off a purchase of $149. You get $30 off the purchase of $249. That is literally amazing because other hair companies, something like this would be probably $400, $500, but it's not, and it's super, super affordable. I'll link everything down below. If you have any questions on how I colored this hair, their best-selling hair is a lace front wig with a bob, and I'll link that down below. They also have a full lace body wave natural color, and I'll link that down below. And they also have a full lace wig that is straight natural color, and I'll link that down below as well. Like I said, I got the 613. If you do the exact same steps, if you want to have this color hair, you can do the exact same steps that I did and use the same dye. However, if you get 613 hair and you want to dye your hair, let's say orange, pink, red, just use that same method, and it's super easy. I was literally so very excited when I got the chance to work with this company because they're very sweet. Hold on. It's hot in here. You know, the heat is on. But they're very, very sweet. They're a great company. Their customer service is literally A1. And I'm not just saying that because I got some free hair, because, you know, I be getting free hair, but like some people be really rude and messed up and like send you all kinds of weird stuff. But these people were literally so amazing. They're having a huge Black Friday sale. So do yourself a favor and check out their website down below, because honestly, girl, I'm loving it. Look at this. Look at that. You see that? You see that? You see? At first I was really nervous about the color, but I think with my complexion it's all right, isn't it? Y'all like it? Y'all like it? You like it? Thanks. But anyway, all the information on this hair will be linked down below. If you have any questions, please comment down below and I'll answer them for you. And give me a thumbs up if you like this color and want me to try something else that's new. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Don't forget to follow their Instagram, which is MsBeautyHair1. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, boo. And I'll put it right here and also down below. It's like when I'm feeling myself and I have a whole different like hair color and stuff, and my hair actually looks like it looks super expensive, like I spent some money on it. Do you know how many compliments I've gotten on this hair color and on this hair? Like, because okay. But definitely go support them. Let them know that Robin sent you. I love you guys literally so much, and I can't wait to provide more content for you guys. I will do a follow-up video on this hair because, girl, I am just loving it. Oh, don't forget to join the Taylor Tribe, man. Don't forget to subscribe to what? To join the Taylor Tribe. All right, I'm done. I'm ugly. All right. Carry on. Click out. It's okay. You can go. You wanted to leave so bad, go. And until next time, I will talk to you bees later. Bye.